Welcome to my channel. Do you have these top 2 most valuable 10-cent 1983 Australia coin? Second 10-cent 1998 Australia coin worth money. The 1983 Australian 10-cent coin holds both historical significance and value. Let's delve into its history and worth. History. The Australian 10-cent coin was introduced in 1966, alongside the introduction of decimal currency in Australia. Its design has remained relatively consistent over the years, featuring a depiction of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, with various renditions depending on the monarch's age at the time of minting. On the reverse side, the iconic Australian lyrebird has been a consistent motif since its inception. The 1983 10-cent coin from Australia holds both numismatic value and historical significance. In terms of value, its worth is largely contingent on factors like condition, rarity, and demand within the collector community. As for its history, the 10-cent coin has been a staple of Australian currency since decimalisation in 1966, featuring the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and various native Australian animals on the reverse. The 1983 edition is part of a series that saw minor design changes over the years, but its composition remained consistent, 75% copper and 25% nickel. Understanding its broader historical context, including Australia's economic and social landscape at the time, can further enrich its story. 1983. The 1983 minting of the 10-cent coin holds particular interest due to several factors. Firstly, it marks the 17th year of circulation for the coin since its introduction. Secondly, 1983 saw a few noteworthy events in Australia, including the introduction of the Australian dollar coin in circulation alongside the banknote counterpart. Additionally, it was a period of economic reforms and shifts in global politics. Design. The design of the 10-cent coin remained unchanged in 1983. The obverse side still featured a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machin, which was used from 1966 to 1984. The reverse side continued to showcase the graceful lyrebird, designed by Stuart Devlin, an acclaimed Australian goldsmith and jeweller. Value. Determining the value of a 1983 Australian 10-cent coin involves several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Generally, circulated coins from this year might hold a nominal value close to its face value, 10 cents. However, coins in uncirculated or near-mint condition, especially those with mint luster and sharp detail, could fetch higher prices in the collector's market. Rarity. While millions of 10-cent coins were minted in 1983, certain factors could contribute to the rarity of specific coins. Variations in minting errors, such as double strikes, misaligned dies, or planchet errors, could render some coins more valuable to collectors. Additionally, coins with low mintages due to errors or limited releases may command higher prices in the numismatic market. Collector interest. The interest of collectors plays a significant role in determining the value of coins. Collectors may seek out specific years, mint marks, or variations to complete their collections. The historical significance of the coin, coupled with its design and condition, can also influence its desirability among collectors. The 1983 Australian 10-cent coin is still legal tender in Australia and has a nominal value of 10 cents. However, its collector's value can vary depending on factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. To provide an estimate of its worth today and write 2,000 words about it, I'd need to delve into its historical context, design features, production numbers, variations, market trends, and factors affecting its value over time. Would you like me to proceed with a detailed analysis? Conclusion. In summary, the 1983 Australian 10-cent coin carries both historical significance and potential value to collectors. Its design, minting history, and condition all contribute to its worth in the numismatic market. While circulated coins may hold nominal value, coins in excellent condition or with unique characteristics could command higher prices among collectors. Understanding the history and nuances of the coin can enhance appreciation for its value beyond its face denomination. The 1998 Australian 10-cent coin holds both historical significance and value. Introduced as part of Australia's decimal currency system in 1966, the 10-cent coin features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, while the reverse depicts a male lyrebird dancing. This design, created by Stuart Devlin, has remained unchanged since its inception. In terms of value, the 1998 10-cent coin is typically valued at its face value unless it is in uncirculated or mint condition, in which case it may hold some numismatic value to collectors. The exact value would depend on factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand within the collector market. In 1998, Australia was undergoing various changes and developments. Politically, it was the era of Prime Minister John Howard, who served from 1996 to 2007. Economically, Australia was experiencing steady growth, fueled by factors such as economic reforms, globalization, and the mining boom. Culturally, the late 1990s were marked by significant events and trends. The Sydney 2000 Olympics, for instance, were a major milestone for the nation, showcasing Australia's capabilities on the world stage and fostering a sense of national pride. Additionally, advancements in technology and the internet were shaping the way Australians lived and communicated. The 1998 10-cent coin, while seemingly insignificant on its own, is a tangible artifact of Australia's economic and cultural landscape during that period. It serves as a reminder of the nation's transition into the new millennium and the various events and developments that characterized the late 1990s. A 1998 Australian 10-cent coin is still worth its face value today, which is 10 cents AUD. However, if you're interested in the numismatic or collector's value, it may vary depending on factors such as rarity, condition, and demand. In terms of rarity, while the 10-cent coin is commonly circulated, there could be variations or errors in minting that make certain coins more valuable to collectors. For instance, if there was a misprint or a limited edition release, it could fetch a higher price in the collector's market. Condition is another important factor. Coins that are in pristine condition, without scratches, dents, or discoloration, are generally more sought after by collectors and can command a higher price. Demand also plays a role in determining the value of a coin. If there is high demand among collectors for a particular year or type of coin, its value may increase accordingly. It's important to note that the value of coins can fluctuate over time due to changes in the market, collector trends, and other factors. To get an accurate estimate of the value of your specific coin, you may want to consult with a professional coin appraiser or check online auction sites to see what similar coins are selling for. In conclusion, while a 1998 Australian 10-cent coin is unlikely to be worth much more than its face value in everyday transactions, it could have value to collectors depending on its rarity, condition, and demand in the market.